So can I?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
All right. So this is welcome to Vatebra Tech Hub.
Yeah.
So we have the relaxation arena here, where members of the space come to network and play games. We have a beautiful soccer table here. And of course, if you think you have some good golfing skills, you can try it over here. It's fun. So the idea of this space is just to bring the community together to relax and network and of course grow their business. So this is a private section of the space. We have 6 private offices here. So this is one of the private offices. So this seats 4 people, but of course maximum capacity seats 6. So this is all of us. Yeah, so we have a robotics lab here. And so the idea of this lab is to teach kids about STEM technologies and how they can, build solutions with robotics. So they use kits like EV3, Tech Trees, and Arduinos. By the end of the day, we have some of the kids demo some of the projects they've built. And we have these humanoids here. It's interesting. You can build programs with it. You can dance, do push-ups, and all that. It's interesting. All right. So this is we have the conference room here. Yeah. So for board meetings, for video conferencing, this is where it all happens. And of course, this is the extension of the private office that we have here. And this is also a meeting room, where people can have meetings and sessions. Yeah. And this is also where we do all of our printing works. All right. And this is the extension of the private offices as well. And that's our server room. So we can go to the open space of the It's there. All right. Welcome. The top is coming to right? Yes. As well as so this is the extension of the reception, and you have the training room here. So this training room seats 50 people, full capacity, and interestingly, you can have 2 trainings running simultaneously. So this seats like 24 and 26. And interestingly, it's the kids who have a demo of what they've built so far. So these are some of the projects we demoed in the course of the day. The practical application spans from stair climber that you can use during acidosis situation. You have this is to pick up trash, and we have a messenger bot, and also one for agriculture you can use to plant. We have
is that a drone there?
Yeah, we have a drone. So this is the tutor, Fisaya.
Yeah. I see it.
One in charge of the students. And these are the students that will be presenting today. Cool. So are you guys ready for the demo? You say I'm ready. I'm ready. Ready. Sound excited.
Yeah.
All right. So this is the open space. So this is the open space where we have entrepreneurs working. And we have the kitchenette just there. Please come, let me show you.
Inspiring innovation and startup growth for nation building.
So this is the kitchenette that we have here, where people have their own management and have a good time. Of course, network and grow.
Technological transformation.
Thank you.